Welcome to MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. My name's Bill Herr, and today we're sitting on this brand new, beautiful 2023 Aviara 32 Outboard. Back here on the transom, the power plant of the boat, we got the twin Mercury 300s. Great color option that goes along with this black and white hull color that we have going on here. As you can see, great entertainment space. As I'm sitting up here on these stadium seats, a lot of times this is kind of a wasted space. You don't really know what to do with it. So Aviara came up with this. It gives you that stadium effect. So as people are hanging out down in the water, you can actually have a couple of different rows of seating. And then when you're underway, you can just put that down, put this seat down, and then you got a nice big sun pad back here. You got storage underneath all of them. You got your your battery switches under that far left side. So nice and easy to turn the boat on and off. And then as we step inside here, you can kind of notice the cool architectural design on the sea deck flooring there. Really goes well with the overall styling of the Aviara brand. Great seating option here. Cup holders are all stored away. You kind of see in this hardtop how the speaker covers have that different setting to them. We did the black on this to go with the color combination, but it just really sets the boat apart from other boats in its class. So one of the things I'll point out, so this is a cool touch vinyl. So even in this sunlight right here, I can put my leg on here. I'm not going to get burned. It's not hot. They contour your seats, so you actually have an angle. So when you're sitting down, it's just really comfortable for you and your guests and your family as you're enjoying that day out on the water. Up above in the hardtop, so again to that entertainment area, you do have an extended sunshade that goes out across the back. It's a little bit of a different sunshade, but it's actually really simplistic in design, so you don't have to worry about getting it caught or hanging up or anything like that. Goes out nice and easy, gives you some comfort from the sun as you're out on the water. Over on the starboard side here, we do have a freshwater sink. This can also be iced down, so you can have drinks and stuff in here. They give you a bottle holder there, so if you have champagne or wine bottles out there, you can put them in there and have them iced down, ready to go. Another little storage area here, nice option. And then you also have a countertop up top for being able to, have some food, enjoy some refreshments while you're out on the boat. You do have coolers, actually 2 removable coolers. Pretty cool. They're Aviara branded. Nice place that they stow away. And then another thing that you have here is nice gas assist struts. So when you put the seat up, you get that nice Aviara logo, but then everything's going to stay up in there. You're not going to worry about getting your fingers caught on anything. As we continue forward, one of the coolest things about Aviara is the way they lay out their dash. So you have on the left side here, it's going to be all of your radio controls, lighting, everything like that. In the center here, you can have your maps, and then on the right side here, you're going to have your engine data. So you don't have to go back and forth between screens to control things. So you as the captain, makes it very easy. Someone can control the radio. You have all your stuff here for your engines and your maps. Easy to operate and maneuver the boat. Again, going back to the power plant, we got those twin 300s, the new Mercury throttles here, and then as well you got the JPO option, your joystick piloting, which is spectacular. Just makes it easy for you to operate and control the vessel. That also has that skyhook feature in there. This does have fender clips, so if you need to tie up fenders or lines or anything, you just throw that in skyhook and you can run around and do some stuff real quick. One of the ways that they designed the boat, you can see this walk-through here on the port side, but what that gives you is a very, very large head compartment. When this door opens, it does have a magnet that holds it open, so you don't have to worry about that bouncing around, but they finished the sea deck off down there. You have some storage, you got a freshwater sink, just real comfortable. Again, great way that they designed this boat so that you have that big space underneath, and then it allows you to have, as we move up to the bow, just this enormous bow seating area, nice and deep. So I have 3 kids. Safety is a big thing for me when I'm out on the water. So you got your grab handles, you got nice deep boat, so you don't have to worry about anybody going overboard at all. And again, that cool touch vinyl, you can sit up here in the sun without a shade. It's just very comfortable, and you're able to enjoy that time on the water with family and friends. So thank you for taking that walkthrough of me of this brand new 2023 Aviara 32 Outboard. If you'd like a private showing, you have any additional questions, you could reach us at 609-926-0600 here at MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. Thank you, and we'll see you on the water.